Let's take a look at the agent and the implications of a strong customer experience offering for an agent. In this case, we're going to look at RealNetworks out in Seattle, and we'll take a look at Tim, a contact center agent, and how our offering has allowed him to provide a superior experience.
Hey, this is Tim. I'm a contact center agent with RealNetworks. I wanted to share an example of how we use RightNow to deliver great contact center experiences to our customers. I got a call from Pam, a customer who was having trouble logging into her new RealPlayer Plus. She told me it just said service unavailable. The great thing about the RightNow desktop is what it does behind the scenes. I don't have to go decide what fields and options I need to select. The system does all the thinking. I just fill out what's presented to me. That way I can focus on the customer. For instance, as soon as I enter the queue, the desktop presents the correct options in the product and category field. Because it was a technical support queue, 2 additional custom tabs also appear. One to collect required system environment and one for other details that need to be captured. It's all about the right information in the context of what I'm doing right now. By asking Pam questions about her computer and network, I can quickly capture the relevant system information and troubleshoot her issue. If it were an email or chat, I could get a lot of this information automatically because the system does a browser scrape and the customer's system information shows up right in my desktop. I checked the knowledge base for a resolution and found the answer. It turns out that the firewall wasn't allowing RealPlayer. I walked her through the fix and solved the problem. When I finished, the system automatically sent Pam a survey, so RealNetworks can continually strive to deliver great customer experiences.
So RealNetworks is no different than any other contact center environment. Their agents have to handle all sorts of incoming interactions. Their agents have to deal with interactions coming in off of all different channels. And so what RealNetworks has done is they've been really thoughtful about leveraging what we deliver in our agent desktop to simplify the interaction from an agent's perspective, and then ultimately from the customer's perspective. So they've leveraged not all the components, but a large number of the components in the agent desktop related to workflow, scripting, guided assistance, contextual rules, narrowing down what the agent sees to the information that's applicable to that interaction. You know, average handle time is reduced when you do this because the agent's not poking around in different areas of the system or different screens trying to gather the right information for that interaction. The ROI is strong, and again, at the end of the day, the customer is calling to get an answer to their problem, and so if you can do that more quickly, customer satisfaction is improved. So it's a very straightforward formula. Narrow it down, give the agent what they need, and the customer is happy. So, in the contact center, one of the things that is still very important is the voice channel. You know, depending on who you talk to, 70, 80% of all interactions still occur over that channel. So let's take a look at what we're working on with Activision to address a blended environment where you bring together web experience, contact center experience, and you handle the voice interaction. So Kurt, a customer of Activision, is going to show us what that type of experience can look like.
What's up? This is Kurt. I'm an avid gamer and love Activision. You guys have to hear about how Activision provides excellent customer service. I just got this awesome new Guitar Hero game from Activision, but the drum kit symbol wasn't working. I decided to call the Activision service line. The phone system was really intuitive.
Thank you for calling Activision. Are you calling about your Guitar Hero World Tour?
The system knew who I was and what product I was calling about.
If you're having problems with your Guitar Hero World Tour, I can provide the same information and take you through the same troubleshooting steps as an agent.
The automated system walked me through some diagnostic questions to figure out the problem.
Your cymbal needs to be replaced. I can process your return and ship you a replacement drum kit. I have your house number as 4614 and your zip code as 92123. Is that where you'd like us to ship the replacement drum kit?
I confirmed my shipping details and the system assigned me a ticket number.
I've created a ticket number 101012-0002. 248, which I will be emailing to you.
A few days later, I had a question about what to do with my old drum kit, so I called Activision again.
Thank you for calling Activision. I see you have an open incident regarding a drum kit replacement. Is that what you're calling about?
It was great. I didn't have to re-enter information to get help.
I'll transfer you to an agent that can further assist you. But before I transfer you, I'd like to let you know that a replacement drum kit was shipped 2 days ago, and you should receive it tomorrow. Please hold while I transfer your call.
Thank you for calling Activision, Mr. Bell. My name is Karen. I see you're calling about your drum kit replacement. How can I help you?
The agent knew who I was and what I was calling about, so we could get straight to my question. I asked the agent what to do with my old drum kit. She told me to put my old drum kit in the box that my new drum kit arrived in, and to use the included UPS return shipping label. UPS even came to my house to pick it up. It was so easy.
So did you guys see Kurt's house in that video? I mean, how is it that there's a 24-year-old kid who's playing, Guitar Hero all day, lives in a $2 million home? I'm not sure, but anyway, it's clearly a good customer experience. A company like Activision is not going to be able to answer every single phone call that comes into their operation. They just have too many customers, and the cost would just decimate their business model. So voice automation is not going away. However, we need to do it better than we've done historically. I mean, most of you out there, I'm sure, just like me, you get an automated voice system, and you're looking for the 0 button on your phone, and you're pushing it as fast as you can. And it doesn't have to be like that. We have the ability to integrate with the data that's in our system, provide a voice interaction that is truly superior, that is truly a good experience, that allows you to automate a large number of your inbound calls, and quite frankly, make the customer more satisfied in the end, because again, they're calling for an answer, not for a long, drawn-out conversation. The ROI is strong, the monthly savings is strong, and it just really is a great way to bring together many of the components of our portfolio. So let's now add another layer to this cake. So good customer experiences aren't just support experiences. You can market to your customers in a good or a bad way. You can get feedback from your customers in a good or a bad way. You can sell to your customers in a good or a bad way.